Introducing the Stryker Volterra AR-FF, priced at $1.2 million. A hybrid electric marvel, redefining aircraft rescue and firefighting. Its heart, a potent permanent magnet AC motor paired with a 62 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. Together they unleash 950 horsepower, thrusting the Volterra from 0 to 50 miles per hour in a mere 25 seconds. This isn't just speed. It's smart power. The battery's 30-mile range in all-electric mode, coupled with adaptable charging, including DC fast charge options, ensures the Volterra is always battle-ready, with reduced emissions and silent operation. Ease of operation is paramount. Operating the Volterra is akin to its diesel counterpart, negating the need for extra training. It's packed with a 3,170-gallon water tank, 2,000 GPM pump, and a 50-foot novel HRET, all riding on a TAC-4 suspension for unmatched agility. With features like a Scania DC-13 engine, Oshkosh power divider, and ergonomic controls, the Volterra is as comfortable as it is capable, seating 5 with unparalleled visibility. It's more than a fire truck. It's a fortress on wheels, safeguarding airports globally.